So here we are at the Weasley's Wizard Wheezers. Check out this shop, it's absolutely spectacular. Chris is taking all the way up the stairs. Yeah, it goes up about 3 times. Descendo. 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 Descendo.
Hey. Worn out your magic?
No, I'll use it when I feel like it.